Microwave ovens provide quick heating, easy cooking, energy efficiency, and convenient meal preparation daily. My today's video is about top 5 best microwave oven that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at GE Microwave Oven. The GE 4-in-1 microwave is a versatile powerhouse packed into a compact countertop design. Combining microwave, air fry, convection bake, and broil functions, it's perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, and office break rooms where space is limited but flexibility is essential. Despite its compact footprint, the 1 cubic foot interior easily fits dinner plates, frozen meals, and personal pizzas. With 1050 watts of power, it delivers fast, even cooking for everything from leftovers to quick snacks. The built-in air fryer crisps fries and wings without preheating, while convection and broil modes handle pizzas and small bakes effortlessly. Designed for quiet operation, it won't disturb roommates or co-workers. One-touch presets make cooking simple, and the two-step child lock adds safety. The stainless steel interior wipes clean easily, and included accessories like the crisper pan and wire racks enhance its convenience and performance. Now our second product is Nostalgia Microwave Oven. This 700-watt microwave oven delivers reliable performance in a compact, space-saving design. With its 0.7 cubic feet capacity, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, or apartments, easily handling everyday reheating, cooking, and defrosting tasks. The rotating glass turntable ensures even heat distribution, so your meals come out consistently warm and delicious every time. Featuring 8 convenient auto-cook programs, it takes the guesswork out of preparing popular dishes. When you're short on time, the express cooking option helps you prepare food quickly and efficiently. With 10 adjustable power levels, this microwave offers precise control for everything from gently melting butter to thoroughly heating leftovers or cooking full meals. Simple to operate and dependable in performance, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a practical and efficient microwave for daily use. Our third product is Farberware Microwave Oven. The Farberware 0.7 cubic feet microwave is a compact yet powerful solution for everyday cooking. With 700 watts of output power, it delivers quick and efficient heating, making it ideal for busy households, dorm rooms, or office kitchens. Its small footprint fits easily into tight spaces while still offering full-sized cooking performance. Equipped with 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking, this microwave gives you complete control over your meals. 6 convenient one-touch options, including popcorn, potato, and pizzas, simplify meal prep, while defrost by weight or time settings handle frozen foods with ease. The clear LED display, built-in kitchen timer, and clock help you stay on schedule, and the interior light lets you monitor your food as it cooks. An easy-to-clean design and child safety lock add practicality and peace of mind. Farberware combines reliability and convenience to make everyday meals simple and enjoyable. Now number 4, Frigidaire Microwave Oven. This microwave combines convenience, safety, and user-friendly technology in one compact appliance. The digital control panel makes operation simple, offering options for express cooking, adjustable power levels, delayed start, time setting, and stop/cancel functions. Everything is clearly laid out for quick and hassle-free use. 2 defrost timer options give you better control over how your food is thawed, helping maintain texture and flavor. You can also cook meals in stages, allowing for more personalized and precise preparation. Safety is a priority with the built-in child safety lock, preventing accidental operation and providing peace of mind for families. The large, easy-to-read display lets you monitor cooking progress at a glance. With 6 intuitive auto-cook settings, including popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen dinner, reheat, and beverage, this microwave simplifies everyday meal preparation while delivering consistent, reliable results. And our last choice is Breville Microwave Oven. The Breville Compact Wave Soft Close Microwave offers a perfect balance of compact design, quiet operation, and everyday convenience. With a 25L capacity, it fits comfortably in smaller kitchens while still providing ample space for cooking, reheating, and defrosting a variety of meals. One of its standout features is the 80% quieter soft close door and reduced operating noise, making it ideal for shared homes or late-night use. The intuitive one-touch shortcuts for reheat, defrost, popcorn, and beverage simplify daily cooking, while the food menu options help prepare snacks like pizza, vegetables, and potatoes with ease. Defrost and reheat functions are carefully designed to prevent overcooking, ensuring food retains its texture and flavor. Safety is enhanced with a child lock feature, adding peace of mind for families. With thoughtful design, quiet performance, and smart presets, this 900-watt microwave is a reliable and user-friendly kitchen companion backed by a 1-year warranty. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.